This video will demonstrate how to use PTP Trend Trader Indicator hosted on TradingView. We have two simple rules to follow. 1. Select a primary time frame for the symbol to place trades. PTP works on all time frames. All you need to do is select the best time frame for the symbol you plan to trade. Rule 2 is to confirm the trend with the previous signal. For a buy, the current PTP buy signal should be higher than the previous PTP buy signal. For sell, current PTP sell signal should be lower than the previous PTP sell signal. Let's take a look at some examples. Here, we have a PTP buy confirmation example. On the chart, we have 5 PTP buy signals, and 3 are confirmed signals that we should be taking. Our first confirmed PTP buy signal is on the third signal on the chart. To confirm the trend, we look at the previous PTP buy signal. It was lower than the third signal on the chart. This shows a bullish market, and we are only taking buy signals. The fourth and the fifth PTP buy signals are confirmed buy signals because they are lower than the previous buy signals. This example has 10 PTP buy signals. 7 out of the 10 are confirmed. Also, this would be considered a bullish market. Here, we have a PTP sell confirmation. On the chart, there are 3 sell signals. The first signal is used as a reference to confirm the signal for entry. Now that we have a confirmed PTP sell signal, we have determined the market is bearish and we do not take any long positions. Here we have another example of PTP sell confirmation. There are 11 sell signals on this chart, and 10 out of the 11 are confirmed sell signals. This is also determined to be a bearish market. Thanks for watching, and for more how-to videos, please visit ptptrades.com.